What's up with it, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. Back at you again, as always. And we're going to make us a breakfast for champions today, baby. Good old fashioned steak and eggs. Check that out. Steak and eggs, baby.
And we're going to start off by grating us some cheese, baby. You know you gotta have cheese in them eggs. Just like that. Check that out. There we go. Cheesy, baby. Now we're gonna cut our steak down and we're gonna cut against the grain. It's gonna help the meat be more tender, a little more pleasant to chew. We're gonna continue to cut it. Just cut it in a nice bite-sized pieces. Now let's go ahead and season our steak. You know we gotta put that flavor to it, baby. So just get you some kosher salt, some coarse black pepper, season that steak, massage it in. Now we're gonna crack our eggs. We're gonna get our eggs ready. So let's just get our eggs cracked, get them put in the bowl. I'm using about 4 eggs. Use as many as you like. How much ever eggs you like to eat, that's your world. I'm using 4. That's enough for me. All right, so let's get us some heavy cream in there. Help them eggs stay fluffy. Get us some salt and pepper in there. Season them eggs. Get some cheese in there. Told you we gotta add the cheese for them eggs. And we just gonna whisk it up. Get them eggs nice and mixed in and fluffy. All right, now let's add some oil to our pan. This is gonna be for our steak, baby. Let's let that heat up a little bit. We just need some heat to it. That's all we need. Look at that. It's the steak. Let's get the steak in this pan. We're gonna get us a nice little sear on it. We'll cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, especially since these are kind of thin slices. Now we're gonna add some butter to it. Just mix it up. Allow that butter to melt. It's gonna get that little buttery flavor for them steak bites, baby. It's gonna mix all in well with them eggs. All right, there it is. It's that steak. It's ready. Get it out the pan. Let it rest. Now let's get to these eggs, baby. Drop some butter in your egg pan. Allow that to melt. Get that egg and cheese in there, baby. Get it in there. Yeah. All right, we're just gonna let them cook and then fluff them up. Just pull it back. See how it's getting fluffy in now? That's how you do it right there. All right, now I'm gonna speed up the process a little bit so you can see how it go. So you can see how to make some nice, good, fluffy, pretty scrambled eggs. So just check us out. There we go. Let's get it. That boy know how to make some eggs. That boy can cook. Check it out now. Yeah. Bam. Eggs done. Let's get them on our plate. Oh, yeah. Let's get some cheese on. Some more cheese now. Put some more cheese on there. And for the start of the show, let's get that steak on there, baby. Y'all gotta forgive my voice. Just got over a little cold. So if I sound a little crackly, voice sound a little ugly, y'all forgive me. But anyway, there go our dish right there, baby. Steak and eggs.
All right, family, that is it. That is all. Got this steak and eggs. Breakfast for champions, y'all. Yeah. Check this out. Breakfast for champions. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. And you can make your eggs however you want. You want them sunny side up. You want them over easy, over medium, fried hard, however you want it. You can make it that way. I like mine scrambled. So that's how we're going to eat them today. So let's just dig on in. Oh, yeah. Steak is tender, well seasoned, eggs well seasoned, got that cheese in them eggs. Just don't get no better, baby. Steak and eggs. Breakfast of champions, baby. All right. If you found this video valuable, informative, you learned something new, or you just like kicking it with your boy, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we doing when we doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah.